I remain your regular host, Owamalam Chinonso. Today we'll be talking about leadership. As a leader or aspiring leader, leadership process is paramount, is necessary for everyone. And this has to do with you acquiring lots of skills. And one of the skills is decision-making process. One of the skills is your tenacity. One of the decisions is your ability to command respect, the characters and do's and don'ts of a leader. Now, as a leader or aspiring leader, what do you think you should do to be that kind of leader that will make decisions that will affect people correctly and good, that will help people to develop themselves and make your leaders, your followers, to respect you? Now, on this very channel, we will be giving you these skills, these acquisitions, what you need to succeed as a leader in the academics, in your business, in the fellowship, the churches, those in one denomination or the other, and those that are leading few or majority people. So we are bringing this. And not only that, we are going to train you on skills. We are going to give you the ability, the kind of mindset that you need to succeed as a leader. So what are you waiting for? Join us on this platform on Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp. Okay? I remain your regular host, Owamalam Chinonso. Good to see you on the next episode on this leadership talk and podcast. See you there.